Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a Memorial Day spread for my planner for this week. I have a few sticker books that I pulled that I will possibly be able to use for this spread. It's going to be a little bit of a mixture of books. I plan on doing just a red, white, and blue theme. So that's kind of the look I'm going for. And then, oh, and florals. So florals, I feel like these two are going to be the main books I use. And yeah, that's what I plan on doing. So in here, this is Posh Faves from Love Posh. So there's a bunch of really good stickers in here. And I saw these blue florals. These are really pretty. So this one came out of Functionally Chic Blue Blooms. Those are really nice. I feel like that's a good start. These are just going to be the only florals I do. And then I have red stickers in here, red and blue, that I can pull in. I feel like this matches pretty nicely, so I can do a little combo of these. That's the idea, so that's what I'm going to go with. So let's first start off with a corner sticker for the weekend. It's already very pretty, so that's good. Oh, maybe I'll do this top one over here. So yeah, Memorial Day weekend. I have Monday off from work, so that's nice. A 3-day weekend. Catch up on some things, and yeah, that's about it. Maybe I could do this. Oh, actually no, because wait, I think there's another sheet in here. There might be. Let me see if there's another sheet like that. Ah, there it is. Okay, so I could do, I lost it. Okay, I could do the red one. Let me see how the red looks before I decide. Is it too much if I do this? Maybe I'll just do top and bottom, where I don't have flowers. So then I only need one of each of these sizes. Okay, I think that works. I just didn't want to put it like too much all over the place. All right, and then, oh, let me do like a sidebar. Maybe one of these. Oh, actually, no, these say today. I don't want one that says today because it's going on this sidebar. I think those are the only ones though, so I might have to go into a different book. But I do want a double box. So let me grab one of those. Oh wait, there's these to do. I like this one. I'll come back to this because I'm not sure. Double boxes. All right, so I got this red one, and there's this one. Thinking red, and then I can put flowers with it. Like do a little cluster, just to get more red on the page. And then I can do a little flower. Maybe this one. I think I like these really dark blue ones. Although I don't have any of the light blue. So maybe I will do this one. Just to get some light blue. Now, how do I want to do this? I guess like that. But I also want to layer another sticker with this. So I'm thinking this weekend I don't have anything going on. Wait, is that? That's not true. I do. I just remembered. I found out yesterday I do have something going on. So I'm gonna do maybe the today one. One of these long ones. I think over here would be good. So yeah, I do have plans. They're kind of personal, so I don't want to discuss them, but I do have plans this weekend. family. Okay, it's straight-ish, so we're good. And then maybe I'll do like a circle sticker. I feel like it's, I don't know, I just don't like this. I feel like it needs something. So let's see. I don't know if I like that either, but we're gonna go with it. I have a little quote. This one says, make moments that make you slow down. I like that it's red, so I need some red down here. Cool. I need to find another one of those little quotes because I like to add those around the page. Okay, here's another one. Take time to recharge. That'll be good for over here in this part of the week. Alrighty, that looks pretty. I really like that. Maybe one of these would be better. I'm gonna stick this here. Okay, I need a box or something over here. A little cluster, basically. So let's get a box. Oh, maybe one of these rounded ones to do. We'll do a red one. And then a smaller box. Let's do this blue. I'll do flowers with it. Let's just do this one here. Okay, I'm gonna have to move this up. I shouldn't have put this down until I figured out where I was gonna put my boxes. Okay, because I want it a little bit lower. Okay, I don't mind if it's a little crooked. But take time to recharge up here. Okay, that looks good. I like that. I'm gonna add some of these little boxes. Do some of these little blue boxes. And let's get some more red. Okay, I have these. I kind of like these. I usually wouldn't use these, but I feel like, I don't know why they look like they go with this spread for Memorial Day. Tweezers. So we'll do some red little starbursts. I know they're not like stars, but they remind me of like the stars, like stars on the flag kind of stars. Even though they're not the same kind of star, they're kind of like that. Little starbursts. So I'll do red. Put one here. Okay, that's cute. Maybe I should do some blue ones too. Kind of like the way that looks. Kind of sprinkled around a little bit. Let's see, I'll put this one here. Okay, that works. Let's see, are there checklists in here? Oh, I have these, are nice. Might come back to those little headers. Oh, I want to add one of these. This is so crooked. Let me fix this. Okay. Kind of mimic this little cluster area. One of these. I think that looks good. You know what that like reminds me of? Like maybe like a medal or something. Like in the military. I don't know. I don't know what it does. So I come from like a military family. My dad was in the military, my brother was in the military, and then my brother-in-law was in the military. They're all like out of it. My dad retired from the Air Force. My brother-in-law retired from the Army, and then my brother, he didn't retire, but he was Air Force, and now he works for the Navy as a contractor. So still like involved in that kind of stuff. And I worked on base. My only retail jobs I ever had were on a military Navy bases here in San Diego, and then in Port Hueneme. So yeah, lots of military. It's always been a part of my life. So I know like they sacrifice a lot with their families, so, and their lives. So that's what we're remembering on Monday. All those people who did that. Okay, I think I'm gonna do one of these noted ones maybe. Let's see, I don't want to do this one because it looks too similar to that one, but then maybe I'll do this one because I kind of don't like that it's the same, but then it's not. I don't know. Maybe this one will be good. Although I do like the noted. I need something up here too. Let's see. I like this one because it reminds me of, again, with the starburst, like the stars on the flag. Okay, so maybe I will switch what I'm doing. So we're gonna put this here. It says color the world with your own special kind of bloom. I think this book was kind of the perfect one for me to use for this spread. It's really pretty. I'm gonna do a flower kind of going off this way. I think will be cool. Okay, let me cut this off. All right, and then I got this piece. And I guess this does work. It helps to add the red to this sidebar. The red, white, and blue. All right, cool. I like that. But now I've added this, like, I don't even know what color that is, that tone into this spread. I feel like I need to get it somewhere else. So I have maybe a header. I can do headers. Just like beige. It's kind of beigey. Okay, I have these plans. Neat. We'll do plan. And pick up. Oh, I don't like these other words. Due. Okay, I have a bill due this day, so we'll put due here. I think this side looks pretty good. I might add actually a flower. Let's do a flower. Let's do this big one. Just a little bit. Trying to decide which way I want it. Maybe this way. Still have room for writing, so that's good. I'm just gonna cut this off. Okay, that works. I like that. That's pretty. Yeah, this side looks really nice. Happy with that. I want to get some more beige tones over here. So I don't really need meat though. Oh, cool. These have foil. Why do they have to have foil? I really don't like foil. They all have foil. I'm gonna have to switch out these. Okay. Let me just switch these out. If they have foil, I'm just gonna switch them all to foil. But I'll use the same one. So I got plan, due, because I do have some bills. Well, I have my rent due that day. Here I can do another plan because the other words really don't go. I don't have anything else to do, so it's a lot of do words. Prep, plan, meet. Okay, that's it. I can do a circle sticker. You know what? I'm gonna switch this out. It's kind of like fades in too much. Maybe I can use this one over here. Oh no, plan. Maybe one right here. But there's lots of plans. Oh well, it's fine. It is what it is. It's like the only word that makes sense in this book. I wish I would have some that say like noted. Or there's these that say notes. I didn't use that one. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah, that looks good. I'm happy with that. All right, that's a pretty Memorial Day themed spread. So that's gonna be it for this video. So I basically just used these two books. I had pulled these two because there were blue tones too. Oh, this one's kind of blue-ish. Ooh, hold on, wait a minute. This has some fun patterny stuff. So let me see. I can add like some of these. You probably won't be able to see them, but I never see these. So we're just gonna add some embellishments to these little areas just to make it a little fancier, I guess. Little sparkles. I like that. A little bit there. A little bit here. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. This one sounds fun. I like that. If there's any other shapes I can use or patterns. I like this fun and free. I really don't have room for it though. But I feel like it's a good quote. Let me see. Sorry, I thought I was done, but I'm not quite done. I can't pull this off. Okay. I could put it here. Oops. Let's go too close to the edge. Let me scoot it over a little bit more. And I'm just gonna move this up just a little bit. Oh, I ripped it. Fun. Let me get another one. I hope I have another one. I might have just ruined that. Not bad. Okay, no, I do have another one. Sometimes I try to use those tweezers and that did not work. Oh well. Okay. Let me just fix that really quick with another little one here. Perfect. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. All right, so that was totally worth it. Let me see if there's anything else. Okay, I don't really pay attention to this book too much because I didn't even realize the things in here. Have I even used this book before? I don't think I've used this book before. That's probably why. This is a cute book. Why haven't I used this? Okay, this will have to be, I have to keep this near me so I remember to use this book because it's really pretty. But yeah, for another spread, more of this for another spread. Okay, I think with that I am done. There is my spread for the week. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.